Hey, Kevin here, and I just wanted to do a little update video on the progress of this off-grid building. You can see we're getting dug out of the snow. It's early February, what are we, the 9th, I think, or something like that. And you can see there's a lot of snow, and I had to do some digging to get this thing kind of jump started again. Tried to get it going this fall, but we got snowed in before, too many projects, not enough time. So got it all dug out, got the wood out of the ice, and we're starting the frame here. This is going to be a 12 by 12 addition onto this building, which we talked about already is 12 by 16. This is going to be the solar addition, and so south is off this direction right here, so we're getting kind of a southern exposure this way. And right now what I'm doing is building the floor framing for this addition. And so I've got my outside stringers that are 12 feet long, and my interior pieces, the stringers going across here, are 3 inches shorter than that because my outside lumber is 1.5 inches wide on either end. So in order to maintain a total of 12 inches across, I had to cut 3 inches off each one of them. And that's what we're doing right here. I put them on 16-inch centers, so it's going to be good and sturdy. And basically what I'm doing is building a deck. So once I get this framing in place, then I'm going to take these 2x6s that are pressure treated like these and lay them on top of these stringers and screw them down with about a 1/4 inch gap between them. And that's going to give me a real nice solid deck that's pressure treated, because this is going to have a lot of potential moisture problems, going on because of the solar design that we're putting together. So just wanted you to see that we're kind of back up and running again. We're mid-February. I'm calling it really early spring. So we got a little bit of a warm spell. We got some sunshine, which was much needed. Changes everybody's attitude when we get a little sunshine around here, because we were socked in with fog and clouds and a lot of snow for the last month. So it really feels good to get out here. The birds are tweeting in the trees and everything's starting to act like spring. Got to 45 degrees today, which was awesome. So we're really enjoying getting out of the cabin and getting out here and getting some things done. So just wanted to get a quick progress update here going, and we're going to get this going here, get this finished framing, and we'll show you what the next steps are going to be. So I'll see you on the next video.